Ki Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but Chairperson ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingsiyo ka parit but pila ban legu ban kuli da ka education loan, pila ro ban syukola ho number, kandai nyo saw san riu pranot, lani kandai pran riu laisan, arn riu kandai pra.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikin kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell su hila banyo na barok kidukan
Hadu mentah ke Sorkar kampat Thung ya ke Chairperson bapura Jong ke Women Commission hadim balapun kut no ya ke samoi terekam Jong ke Chairperson ke barim Menteri ke Sorkar jelau ba polling do ulai thu bagi jingweng no ya ke Chairperson barim kam di satya na kada ke jingya dan mentah Jong ka ha ke san perthai handai gede namar ba ke pep hadu sausian ha ke jingalang Jong ke buat
I have studied the file. The person concerned, it is not only about her being involved in an election campaign, but according to the rules, she is supposed to attend at least 3 meetings of the board, and she has abstained from 4 meetings, and therefore she does not qualify to be chairperson any longer. Not yet. We have to be very careful about the selection of the new incumbent because from that experience, we need to ensure that we have people who can give a lot of attention. Women Commission is a very important constitutional body, and you only have to have people who have the drive, the interest in that office, because there is so much that the commission is entrusted with. The other members will continue until the end of the tenure, but the new chairperson will have to be appointed. That is a subject that I will also have to take up with the Chief Minister, since this is a very vital body. We'll come up with a panel of names, and that panel of names will then come up to me for consideration as minister, and I will then discuss this with the CN. Doubt, I always prefer merit, I always prefer quality, so there is no shadow of doubt that we will not live up to those standards. We have to set standards for the state, and such appointees should in fact not be selected based on their political allegiance.